Hi grade 4s, this video is going to show you how to access and use our grade level websites. I know that this is something I showed you in another video, but I thought it would be a good review for those of you who are maybe having a bit of a tricky time. So the first thing is how to get to the website itself. So if you go to the Galbraith school page, there's a thing at the top that says grade level websites. It's also in the menu if your screen is a little bit, looks a little different than mine. So if you click grade level websites and go down to grade 4, because you were in grade 4, click on that and it will open a new tab. Then it says click the title above to access our grade 4 website link. Pretty easy. Click it. And anything in blue is something that will hyperlink. It'll go to the link. So we're going to click Galbraith Grade 4 Wixsite.com. That's the URL for our website, and it will open up the Grade 4 home base. So as you can see along the top, there are a couple of different tabs. You're going to click on Fisher. And here you'll find, this is like our front page. It will have potential schedules. If you're wanting to create a schedule for your day and how you want to set out your day, you can even create your own. It has online resources, a link to all the different things you can do to enrich your day on top of what I assign you. It has a link to my email and then a link to your Seesaw account, which is where you'll be doing a lot of your learning. So let's go back to that page. Most important thing, each week is going to have a button. So you can click here or click here or click here, and it will link you to all the things you need for the week. A lot of you have already found that. Each week there will be a video where I tell you about the learning goals, about any conferences we're having, and then just what we're going to do each day. So today is Tuesday when I'm filming this, so why don't we look at that? It says, today we're going to learn to use this grade 4 website, the school website, and the Galbraith YouTube channel. Click on the link and try to find everything on the scavenger hunt. Don't forget to fill in your answers on Seesaw. So these yellow buttons, when you click on them, will take you to something new. So this takes you to Seesaw because that's where this scavenger hunt assignment is done. Same with this one, the make an array. When you click on that, it'll take you to Seesaw. Then check in with Miss Fisher at 2 for any questions, help. You click on that and it'll open the Zoom app. For our Zoom meetings, you do need a password, which I have emailed out to your parents. So that's pretty much how you use the weekly schedules. And I want you to make sure that you're doing the stuff for Tuesday on Tuesday and the stuff for Wednesday on Wednesday. If you do it all, the whole thing on a Monday, then you're gonna have nothing to do all week. If you end up missing a day, like a lot of you didn't get to the stuff from Monday on Monday, then do it today. It doesn't take very long, and it is all like pretty fun, and I hope that you enjoy it. Another tab you might want to look at is this Learning Enrichment tab. It's under Info, or you can click on it through our main page. And that's where you can find all these websites and links to different activities that you can do. We'll be updating this all the time. So for example, if you wanted to do a science experiment today during some of your flex time, click on it and it'll take you to the TELUS World of Science, which has lots of different experiments for you to do at home. Or if you wanted to do some art, on the art one. It's all these art projects you can do at home. So like I said, these will be updated, and this is kind of the extra stuff. This is stuff you don't have to do every day, but it's like a can do, or if you want to do, okay? So that is how you use our grade 4 website and how to access it. I hope that this helped you figure things out a little bit and to help you get things started for our learning from home. Bye guys.